Hi guys, today I'll show you how to perform daily maintenance on the D2. First, it's recommended to check the printer about once a month.
Let's check the white ink buffer. Move the printhead to the center position and open the printer lid. Then remove the 3 screws on the cover above the printhead. Gently touch the seams and bottom of the white ink buffer to check for any ink leakage. After the inspection, reinstall the cover and tighten the screws. Next, check the ink sac. If the nozzle check pattern shows severe broken lines after clicking clean, or if the printed colors are significantly inaccurate, the ink sac may be clogged and should be replaced for inspection. Remove the 6 screws around the printhead. Take off the printhead cover. Press X reset to move the printhead back to the home position. Then open the right maintenance door. Put on gloves, remove the old ink sac, and install a spare one from the accessory box. After replacing it, print another nozzle check pattern. If the pattern looks normal, the issue was caused by a clogged ink sac.
Next is software maintenance. IdeaStudio currently supports Windows 10 or later.
We recommend visiting the software download page regularly and updating to the latest version to improve performance, unlock new features, and fix potential issues.
And that's all for the daily maintenance of the D2. If you run into any issues while using the printer, feel free to leave a comment below.